view. I'm getting money. Check out my view. I'm getting money. Check out the view. I'm getting money. What about you? I'm getting money. Check out the view. I'm getting money. Check out my views. I'm moving stupid. Halo, no Cupid. You know we going hard till the day we dip. I don't play games, I just slay lames. I'ma shoot them once and rip them out they mainframe. A young boss, get your whip toss when I crisscross. Looking at me like, oh shit, old Jew with that dipping sauce. Balling hard, falling off, never gonna do that, yeah I'm here. Vision is clear, cut to precision, you know the success is near. Let down the steps of my leer, oh my god, oh my hell. What are we doing? Dream in mind, gotta pursue it. Better yet, I'm about to overdo it. Have you on the avenue, rapidly clap when I blast at you. Hop in the wrist when I smash on the gas, what do? I laugh at you. Here we going in. Dopest kid, smoking shit, got me feeling like I might be floating in. I don't think it's never gonna end. My life is just a dream. Take a look at my team. Life ain't always what it seems. I said I'm getting money. Check out my view. I'm getting money. Check out my views. We getting money. Check out the view. I'm getting money. What about you? I said I'm getting money. Check out the view. I'm getting money. Check out my views. I'm getting money. Check out the views. I'm getting money. What about you? Okay, second verse, second hearse. Worst to get it, but the first to play it. Cock spray it, lay him down. Everybody be talking like clowns. Hold up, roll it, let's just get high, high, high. I'm way above the clouds in the sky, sky, sky. Yeah, I'm flying by. Better yet, I'm about to drive by. When I fly by and I hit him up, wet him up, knock him down, they ain't getting up. It's all off the dome, freestyle like Eminem. But I'm a lot less feminine. I might melt in your girlfriend's mouth like Eminem. They just say it's cinnamon when she swallow many men. That's my children, that's my kid. Days of our lives with all my children getting wet. Yeah, you know we gotta rip it, twist it up. I just have her walking awkward, call it spina bifida. Yeah, you know the kid is such empty guts. That's a Dutch. Crack it open, roll it, smoke it, getting high. What the fuck?